Project Targets feature shows you the word count target that you have set up for your entire manuscript, and also for that particular session, with a cool looking progress bar graphically showing you the progress you have made for both. I find that this progress bar helps to hold me accountable to what I have set out to write in both that session and for my entire book. However, if the Project Target feature in Scrivener is not hardcore enough for you, then you might want to check out the website Write or Die, which aims to eliminate writer's block by providing consequences for procrastination and rewards for accomplishment. Scrivener's Project Target works just fine for me, but it might be that the more extreme encouragement that Write or Die provides will work better for you.